Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to unfollow a profile directly from one of their posts on Facebook using the new web update. Whether you're trying to clean up your feed or just want to stop seeing posts from someone without unfriending them, this is the simplest way to do it. Let's get started right from your computer. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook's official website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to scroll through your feed until you find a recent post from the profile you're looking to unfollow. It could be a friend, a page, or even a public figure. The process works the same for all. Now, look closely at the top right corner of that post. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots arranged in a line. This menu holds several quick options connected to that specific post. Click on the 3 dots to open the drop-down list. Inside that menu, you'll see various actions you can take, such as saving the post, hiding it, or reporting it. But what we're looking for is the option that says unfollow, followed by the person's name. For example, if the post is from someone named Alex, you'll see an option that says unfollow Alex. Go ahead and click it. The moment you click that button, Facebook will stop showing you new posts from that account on your feed. Don't worry, this doesn't unfriend or block the person. You'll still stay connected and they'll have no idea you've unfollowed them. And that's it. You've successfully unfollowed a profile directly from a post using Facebook's updated web layout. The next time you want more control over what appears on your feed, you can use the same steps. Open Facebook, find a post, click the 3 dots, and choose unfollow. It's quick, clean, and keeps your feed focused on what matters most to you.